Imagine waking up one day and finding a wall splitting your city in half. For the people of Berlin, this wasn't a nightmare. It was their reality for nearly 30 years. This is the story of the Berlin Wall, a symbol of division that tore families, friends, and a nation apart. After World War II, Germany was divided. The victorious Allies split the country and its capital, Berlin, into 4 zones. But soon, tensions grew between the Soviet Union and the Western Allies. East Germany, controlled by the Soviets, became a communist state, while West Germany embraced democracy. Berlin, deep inside East Germany, became a flashpoint. By 1961, millions of East Germans had fled to the West, seeking freedom and a better life. To stop this mass exodus, the East German government made a shocking decision. Overnight, on August 13, 1961, they began building a wall. Barbed wire fences quickly turned into a massive concrete barrier, complete with guard towers, minefields, and armed soldiers with orders to shoot anyone who tried to cross. Life on either side of the wall was starkly different. West Berlin was a vibrant, free city, a glittering island of capitalism. East Berlin was a world of gray conformity, under the constant watch of the secret police, the Stasi. Families were separated, sometimes for decades. Grandparents couldn't see their grandchildren. Lovers were torn apart. The wall wasn't just concrete and wire. It was a scar on the heart of a nation. But the human spirit is hard to crush. Over the years, countless brave individuals attempted to escape. They dug tunnels, hid in cars, and even flew homemade hot air balloons. Some made it to freedom, but many others were caught or tragically lost their lives. Their stories are a powerful testament to the universal desire for liberty. By the late 1980s, the winds of change were blowing across Eastern Europe. Protests grew louder, and the Soviet Union's grip began to weaken. On the evening of November 9, 1989, an East German official mistakenly announced that citizens were free to cross the border. The news spread like wildfire. Thousands of jubilant Berliners from both sides swarmed the wall, chanting and celebrating. Guards, overwhelmed and without clear orders, opened the gates. People climbed onto the wall, chipping away at it with hammers and chisels. It was a party unlike any other, a spontaneous explosion of joy and relief. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the symbolic end of the Cold War and paved the way for Germany's reunification a year later. Today, remnants of the wall stand as a memorial, a reminder of a dark chapter in history, but also a powerful symbol of hope and the triumph of freedom over division. Thank you for watching. If you found this story moving, please like this video and subscribe for more chapters from our shared past.